What is up, everybody in the YouTube world? Welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. So it's been super hot, super dry, which that means you got no other choice than to irrigate your lawn like a mother trucker. So I've got some of my DIY sprinklers in the lawn already, but I've started toying around, playing with grown-up Lincoln logs. That's what I like to call all the PVC and irrigation department. They're like little Lincoln logs for adults. And I'm going to show you one way that you can build yourself a super easy sprinkler. You can attach different types of sprinkler heads on it, whatever you need, whatever floats your boat. Put a quick connect on it for your water hose, and you're set. Golden. So for ease and simplicity, go buy yourself 10 foot of 3/4 inch IPS 200, whatever you want to call it. It's not the Schedule 40. Schedule 40, you don't need that for irrigation, really. Let's just keep it simple. Get the 200 PSI IPS, whatever it's called here, 3/4 inch. It's $1.81 at the Home Depot for 10 foot of 3/4 inch PVC. So you get that. Then you need to figure out what kind of configuration you're going to do with yours. I'm going to do a simple cross, basically. And so that means I'm going to have 2 caps, a hose end, and an elbow, and a cross. Those are all the pieces I need, plus the PVC. So I forgot to mention, you do need a little tiny riser. It's 42, 47 cents, something like that. You do need one of these also. For my design, you need one of these. Super simple. Let's get it going. First thing you gotta do is mark off 4 6-inch pieces. You see I got my 4 6-inch pieces here. My 2 caps. My cross. My elbow. It's a 90-degree elbow, 3/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. It's a reducing elbow. Then my slit, 3/4 inch hose end. And my tiny little 1/2 inch riser. You can choose whatever size you need. You honestly really just need something that's going to go between the sprinkler and the PVC. Now obviously you could use a 3/4 to 3/4 if you're using a 3/4 inch sprinkler. I like to use the 1/2 inch ones. There's more variety at my local stores, so 1/2 inch is what I'm reducing it down to. Now we've got our primer and cement for the PVC. I'm going to get some gloves on. We're going to start building. You'll also notice that I laid down a cardboard box to kind of protect my nice fancy workbench. I don't want to get stuff all over it. We're going to start off by I'm just gonna let this guy dry out here in the sun. And once it's all done drying, I'm gonna show you how wonderful and amazing it works. The cool thing about this is I can take this sprinkler off and I can put a 360, I can put a 180, I can pick and choose, do whatever I want, and it's mobile. I can set it on this spot, that spot, move it around, put a different sprinkler on there, and use whichever one I need for whichever spot needs watering. Super versatile, universal, best, hands down, way to make your own mobile sprinkler. And like I said, once you put a quick connect on there, pop it in, pop it off, water something else, come back. Super awesome. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video of another version of a DIY homemade PVC quick connect sprinkler system. Super easy. You get a cheap sprinkler from your Home Depot, you buy some pipe, you buy 2 caps, an elbow, a cross, and a hose connect. And you glue it all up. And oh, and the little riser for your sprinkler to attach to. That's it, guys. Super easy. I can set this one to 360 degrees. Right now I have it around 180 because that's all I really need in this spot. Obviously the yard's a little dry, so hopefully my new sprinkler is gonna help out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in the lawn, and I'll see you in the next video.